Power target trades, power trigger trade. Right, people? Power trigger trade, Sandro here. Got another Google L plan that I like. Um, so a Google L is set up for higher prices. I will explain the facts inside the video. That's right, people. Google L, if it does something that I know a key point that it has to do, um, I plan to make some money in Google L again. Okay, so Google needs to. I will explain I will explain inside the video the facts. Right. So inside of Power Group Trades, I'm going to be posting the options and the plans and the plan that I'm going to use to get into more Google L. Now, if anybody doesn't know something, I want to show you something, people. Just come with me. All right, people, welcome to Power Trigger Trade. Confirmation is key. That's right, people. You want to listen to this other Google plan I made. It's right over here. Now, what this was is there's a story in here where one of my group members made a lot of money on the advice of my plan. And so much so that he made that money that he wanted to send me $1,000 gift. Okay, this is out of free will. It's not like I charged anything for that information. Basically, he just simply has been following me for a while, making a lot of money. But then when he made more money, like all the money he made in Google L, he wanted to send me a gift. And I show this in this video over here, and I'll link it into this video here too. So this video that you're watching, I will link it for you to see. I suggest you see it, right? And look to become a member inside of Power Group Trades to know everything that I'm doing. But I post these videos to give people a heads up that I'm doing something, right? That all plans that I make, okay, my intentions is I like them and I want to make dollar bills just like everybody else, okay? Now, things may not always work out, but when they do, they provide us massive gains. And this is why I make these videos, to educate the power of what I'm talking about, okay? So one of the biggest things you want to do is go to my YouTube channel, and it's right over here. I could talk about it right over here. So read my pinned tweet. But if we, come with me right now. Let's go together, okay? We'll go together here. And that's a welcome screen, okay? And that welcome screen you should see. That welcome screen you should see. Okay. Now, people, you want to go to my May 09 live stream. That'll show you how to become a member inside of Power Group Trades. Okay, it's you got to be wanting to come into this. It's not like listen, I want serious people. I just don't want anybody. Like followers, people can follow me. This is great. Follow me, right? But when you're really serious, followers, they want to follow me on all metrics. In other words, you want to follow me inside of Power Group Trades, and you want to participate and spread the positive word of what I'm doing. Who sends people money? I've had so many gifts from a lot of my members out of free will. Many telling me I'm going to be sending you more every time I'm making great dollar bills. Out of free will. They don't have to send me anything. They choose to because they understand when you do good, good gold comes back to you. I said this 100 times. Anyways, people, listen. Study this created playlist. I keep talking about this created playlist, but there's a lot of powerful information here. Honestly, you should. If you don't spend the time listening to my videos, you're doing yourself a disservice. Okay. So there's a couple of plans I like. I like PYPL on confirmation, NVIDIA, and now this Google L, another Google L plan I have, because this Google L plan is still, is good. It did really good. I mean, 600% gains. Yeah. I want you to see it. Honestly, while people were bearish, like Peter Grant talking about 3-part series of why the market's going to go lower, I'm posting plans to go higher. And if you were taking my advice, you made money. If you listen to Peter Grant, well, you were scared to do anything, right? It's going to go down in the market, right? Follow what I'm getting at, people. There's no comparison. Old world style thinking cannot compare to what I'm doing, big picture thinking, okay? It cannot compare. Cannot compare. Honestly, cannot compare. I am so, what's the word? I'm so optimistic and certain of the power of what I developed, and by teaching it to others who are really like what I'm doing, only keeps on improving an adapting system. The most powerful adapting system when you are using it in a manner of well, in a particular manner that takes time to study, which is what I do. I continuously study my own stuff while teaching it to other people, but always consistently looking to improve upon my thinking abilities, which continuously being correct since listen, the market, there was turning points. February 11, 2016 was a very bearish market condition. So bearish that the world record holder posted a bearish post. And the best part about this was he did so just as I posted the opposite of what he said. And guess who's right big time? Me. I mean, he can't even touch my ability skills. There's no doubt in my mind that if the abilities that I had right now were put back where the world record holder was, I trounced the guy. Trounced him. No comparison. Because I proved that to myself by what I said and what he said. In the most difficult, we're talking about where billionaires want fucking advice, people. Billionaires. Who's right? Me. Not world record holder. I was right. And it's documented. You know where you can find it? On my website, people. Go to my website and look for a spy video. If you want the truth, if you want an eye-opening truth, go to my website. I am so certain of myself that it's just, this is why the old world of thinking, I'm adapting, right? If I see a problem, I told people I will talk about it. But right now, I've told people the market favors higher prices. And guess who's been right all along? Not Peter Brand. Not the stock clown, right? Not anyone with old world thinking skills. Yours truly, Power Trigger Trade, has been right. Making massive gains where people are happy to send me gifts. Think about that carefully, people. Now, I suggest you get a YouTube account. If you don't have one, get one, subscribe, get one, and come here, subscribe manually. If you have one already, I'm going to show you an easy way to subscribe. See this picture? See this picture of me? You're going to see it in a circle format. Simply click on it, and it's going to give you an easy way to subscribe. So at the end of the video, you're going to see that. You're going to see me talking to you one-on-one. Yours truly talking to you one-on-one. Let's see what I say. Power Trigger Trade Saturn here, the big picture expert. You want to study my creative playlist on the bottom of my YouTube channel. You also want to subscribe. A lot of great information here on Power Target Trades. You can also find my website link. And don't forget, there are live streams on my YouTube channel. So you want to subscribe for a whole bunch of reasons. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and like the video.